In this question, you have to choose the correct option that includes the statements that justifies why in old trees the greater part of secondary xylem is dark brown and resistant to insect attack. Now, in old trees, the deposition of secondary metabolites such as the tannins, gums, and resins in the xylem vessels helps protect the tree from insect attacks, and this makes the wood more resistant and durable. Thus, statement A is true. Now, in all trees, the greater part of secondary xylem is dark brown due to deposition of organic compounds like tannins, resins, oils, gums, aromatic substances, and essential oils in the central or innermost layers of the stem. Thus, statement B is also true. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Options A, B, and C are incorrect as these doesn't include the proper justification of the said question.